happen when it comes to new companies, who have made their debut on the exchanges. Talking about the performance, 60 stocks are listed in last 6 months, out of which 37 stocks I would say have given a negative return since listing till now, while 23 stocks have given a positive return since listing till now. Let's see which are the 10 stocks which have fallen the most, starting with VMS TMT, wherein the stock has fallen almost 46%, to Urban Company, wherein the stock has fallen almost 28%. Let's find out the reasons why we have seen such a huge fall in some of these companies. Starting with VMS TMT, the grey market expectations were higher, so traders booked profits over here. This also operates in a cyclical and high debt sector and Gujarat concentrated business, which led to hurting sentiment. Talking about Urban Company, the lock-in expiry over here, if I were to talk about increased free float leading to that supply driving selling, and weak Q3 numbers also resulted with widening losses hit sentiment. Talking about the downgrades, analysts also downgrade which added pressure post listing. Then you have Solar World. Well, the company has seen weak Q2 numbers, which resulted into the selling over here. Continued volatility pushed shares below listing price. Talking about Physics Wala, let's go to Physics Wala and let's see why the fall was seen. Well, lock-in expiry released, which increased supply over here, and also stretched valuations made the stock vulnerable in correction. Talking about Ganesh Consumer, the discounted listing signaled weak sentiment from day one, and while valuation worries weighed on the stock. Now these were the stocks which have not done well on the exchange on the Dalal Street, but let's see which are the top 10 stocks which have gained significantly. Talking about from Canara HSBC, which has gained almost 36%, to Midwest, which has gained almost 21%. So all these stocks have gained since listing, and let's see what are the key reasons. Talking about Grow, where a very huge, I would say, subscription, robust institutional plus retail interest was seen in this stock, while strong brand and massive user base boost confidence, and long-term growth drivers also led to the interest of investors in this stock. Talking about Canara HSBC Life, again huge QIP demand has led to this early confidence, while strong promoters network aided long-term outlook for this company. Lastly, Advanced Agro Life, 14% premium listing signal strong demand when it comes to this stock. Wide diversified portfolio and export presence also boosted confidence when it comes to Advanced Agro Life. So overall, Shansi, these are all the stocks, I would say top 10 stocks which have given a very positive returns. Maybe investors are very bullish when it comes to all these stocks.
No, absolutely. And what's very clear here is that a lion's share has actually given negative returns when you look at that 37 number that you're looking at. Other than that, there's actually quite some polarization that we're seeing in the last 6 months when it comes to IPOs. Thank you so much, Varsha, for getting us that entire analysis. So there you go.